Hi, Libya here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn I Come with Joy. It's a beautiful hymn in the key of C, and the chords that you're going to need are fairly standard. We're going to need the C major chord, F major, G major, A minor, D minor, and E minor. Okay, so those are the chords you need, and let's play through the first verse once through. Okay, this hymn is in triple time, so for each chord symbol you see on the song sheet, you'll be doing 3 strums, doing down, up, up. I come with joy to meet my Lord, forgiven, loved, and free. In awe and wonder to recall His life laid down for me. His life laid down for me. Now grab your song sheets and we're going to play through all 5 verses once through. I come with joy to meet my Lord, forgiven, loved, and free. In awe and wonder to recall His life laid down for me. Come with Joy. It's a beautiful hymn. I love the lyrics. I love the music, and it's this version I've prepared for you is not too difficult to play. There's just three minor chords you have to be aware of. Other than that, I think it's quite straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this hymn as much as I did. See you next time.